Hi everyone, I hope you're having a great day. For this video, the first little part is just me planning out my Friday, and then the second half is going to be just a mini vlog of the exciting things that I had happen on Friday and kind of what my planner looks like throughout the day. This video was actually kind of an accident. I was supposed to do a Hobonichi cousin journaling vlog, but then on Tuesday I just stupidly deleted all of my footage for Tuesday and I didn't see the point in continuing the video. So yeah, but I'm actually kind of glad that happened because I can show you more in depth all of the fun things that happened on Friday. Anyways, I'm planning in the Archer and Olive bullet journal and I'm using the Energel Clena 0.5mm gel pen. For the lettering of October 1st, I used the Tombow fudenosuke brush pen in the soft tip. And I just wrote in all of the timestamps on the side. I went from 7 a.m. to midnight. I started my day with coffee and filmed this video. I put down a translucent circle sticker from the Giving Girl to mark in that I went through some of my notifications. On Fridays I only have one lecture, so I just marked that in for 2 hours. And then after that I met up with my friend Helen to have brunch and go shopping. So I just put down this autumn driving emoji sticker. We wanted to go to Wonder Pens and Take Note, which both are primarily fountain pen / stationery stores, and I really wanted a Sailor fountain pen, and spoiler, I wasn't able to find one that I particularly loved, so that is okay. It's a rather expensive fountain pen, so if I do end up buying one, it has to be one that I really love. So yeah, anyways, I did end up buying some fun things though, which I'll show you later in the video. And then I put down this zombie working emoji, which is really cute, to mark in that I did some readings for economics, health economics. And then at around 4 p.m. I had a booking for the gym. I actually only ended up doing cardio because we honestly shopped for a long time, so I arrived to my booking late and I only had time to do some cardio. And then for the rest of the day I basically just studied and caught up on work because obviously I didn't get a lot of things done in the afternoon. And then on the sidebar I just used my Tombow dual brush pen to section off some to-dos. I made a section for school, for work, and also for some personal things. And yes, I just wrote down my very long to-do list. And this is basically a wrap-up of the planning portion, and I will show you all of the vlog footage that I ended up getting on Friday. I have my lovely cup of coffee. I typically like it black, but I found this cafe edition oat creamer, which was kind of interesting. I'm just giving that a try, and this looks a little gross. It's overnight oats with chia seeds and almond milk, and I'm gonna add half a banana along with this like sea salt peanut butter and also a no sugar added Smucker's jam, which is actually really good. Alrighty, I am now fully out of my pajamas, and I have about 40 minutes before my first lecture, actually my only lecture for today, and we happen to have a quiz in that lecture. So what I'm gonna do is quickly review some of the stuff for the quiz. I have to go through my to-do list, especially the work section, things like replying to emails and messages, some comments and approvals and stuff. I have a lot of new products coming towards the end of 2022, so there's a lot of mock-ups and stuff that I need to look through and make sure it's all good. Reprenons. Levez-vous sur... Alright, I got a lot of things done actually, but I have lecture now, so I have to go.
Practice test, make sure to do it. It might be very helpful for you to
Okay, so I just finished my quiz and my lectures for the week, and my friend Helen texted me that she will be here at around 11:30. She decorated her cover all with emoji washi tapes.
Haven't finished yet?
Mm-hmm.
So this is gonna be the back.
So pretty.
I know.
First of all, really random, but on our way back, we found this bakery. And I got this lovely loaf of rye bread. I've never had rye bread before, so I'm gonna slice that up and have it for dinner. We went to Wonder Pens and I got 2 Sailor inks. This first one is their Shikitori, or if you want to say it more like a Japanese person, it would be Shikitori. Yeah, it is a really nice reddish color. I'm gonna put a swatch on the screen. I have a lot of work to do right now, so I don't have the time to swatch them, but yeah. The second one that I got is the Sailor Manyo line. And this is, what color is this? This one is Konagi, and it is a beautiful, beautiful blue color. Look at that. I'm so excited to ink this up when I have the time. And then for my friend, I got a traveler's notebook folder and also an insert thing. Okay, and then we went to Take Note. It's another stationery store. Again, I got another insert for my friend, and then I got a Lamy Black. And I know it sounds really boring, but I have been looking for a really nice black ink. And the lady at the store, this is so strange. Anyways, the lady at the store recommended this to me. So yeah, excited to try this one as well. So that was my lovely day, and I'm very, very happy. But yeah, I'm gonna get to work now. Oh no, actually I have a gym booking, and then I'm gonna get to work, and then we'll have dinner, and it'll be a great evening. Hello. Today was such a fun day. It's definitely much needed, but I have so much stuff to do tonight. That is why I'm having my 3rd cup of coffee for the day. Probably gonna have a 4th. I'm honestly pretty excited to tackle them. So that was so awkward. Let's forget I ever did that. Hello, it is the middle of the night, and what better time to do some ink swatches. I don't know, I was having such a great day, and something in my mood completely changed. No triggers or anything, anyways, it just happens. So I thought we would do some swatches because I think it'll be fun for everyone. I only have one fountain pen that is not inked up. Everything else has ink in it, and I'm not so sure I want to clean them off. So here's my plan. I'm going to dip my nib into 2 of the inks just to test them out, and then I will fully ink it up lastly with an ink that I want to actually keep in this. So I think I will, okay, I've decided. These 2, I will dip my pen in it, and then this one I will fully ink up. I just noticed I've been doing a lot of weird hand gestures in this video. I don't know where that came from. Anyways, so I'm gonna start off with Yodaki, which is the red that I bought. I just realized I bought a black, a blue, and a red, which are the 3 like standard ink colors. Kind of boring, but I think these are beautiful colors. Ooh, look at this. Fancy. Sailor always does these sort of brochure things. Love it. I'm gonna keep this. Oh my god. Why did I think that would smell good? It smells terrible. I'm a big fan of that. Okay, next up I have the Lamy Black, which it won't look very interesting, but I'm actually very curious to see if I will end up liking this black, because I think everyone needs a good black. Why is it so tight? I'm scared it's gonna spill. Okay, so there's this like protective film that is stuck to the cap, but it's like coming off and it was getting stuck to the opening. And now I don't know what to do because it's like awkwardly. Don't want to get my fingers stained with black. So I'm just gonna push this in. Oh my god, what is happening? Also a big fan of that black, except for the weird opening situation. Hopefully it's not like that every time. And then last but not least, we have the Sailor Manyo in Konagi, which I am very excited about. I'm really into blue inks, and this one looks beautiful. It's very close to Konpeki, I think, but it's still different. This one I want to fully fill up. Okay, I am very happy with my ink choices. I think I just did the hand gesture again. I'm so sorry, but yes, I'm very happy with my ink choices. And yeah, I think I'll do some readings for school, and I will go to sleep hopefully before 1 in the morning. I'm gonna try to sleep a little bit earlier today. So thank you so much for watching this video and for coming along my half self-care, half work day. And I will see you next week. Bye! This video is literally just me being really awkward with my hand gestures. I'm very sorry again.